Welcome to the Thursday evening edition, spotting SFO Golden Hour. Let's get right into the aviation action. Thanks for being here.
There was a United for 28, right?
Deltas 1352 blasting out at 28 left. Runway 1 left, 1 right closed. Only 28s open. So everybody's going and coming right in front of us. Oh, check it out. Here's somebody we haven't seen. Airlines headed home to Dublin, Ireland.
353, are you going to be able to go from Foxtrot 2 or are you going to need to back?
353. Hey, it's a no-cal to SoCal. They're headed to SAN San Diego. Oh, come on, son, stay out.
102753, hold shut running to left.
$23.17, how ironic. Southwest from San Diego. Everybody's wanting to go to San Diego this evening.
9995, return to left line plate. Wait, left line plate, Horizon 9995.
Boing! Look at this. Festival of creativity. BA 777 to, you guessed it, London's Heathrow.
Horizon 9995, check, gonna 15 mile final, wind 200 at 18, runway.
Well, the great festival of creativity is turning down a taxi for 28 right. Wind 200 at 16 runway 28 left, clear to takeoff. Shamrock is actually a 4-year-old A330-300, 5,100 miles to Dublin. Ironic, everybody's asking for wind checks.
4753 and Tango France to left ground 28. And pass to it left ground 28, service 4753.
couple of the inbound aircraft are asking if they can land on 19. Circle around and come into from that direction, but promptly told negative. So not an option.
Shamrock 960 heavy contact NorCal.
Tower 2039, visual 28 last, we've got the proceed traffic inside.
Horizon 2039, San Francisco Tower, cross disturbance heavy will depart when 210 out 10, runway 28 left, clear to land.
28 last, Horizon.
Both heavies. I only see one heavy. Ho, ho, ho. Here you go, exec jet lovers. That's a Vision. Cirrus. This is the first one I've seen out here. Put her down anytime now.
Left, line up and wait, be ready to go.
Holy smokes. Just like go around?
2039, slow to slow as practical.
What the heck?
Number 14 Victor Juliet, first available, right turn, please.
14 Victor Juliet is going to be a second here.
Yeah, they landed way late. Whoa.
How about Echo?
Sounds good. 14 Victor Juliet, all right on Echo, hold short of runway 28, right?
Right on Echo, hold short 28, right? 14 Victor Juliet.
Jeez. The plane didn't want to land.
Runway 2 left of takeoff.
Speedbird.
November 1.
What a great call sign that is.
Runway 28, right?
Holding short 28, right? 14 Victor Juliet.
We saw this beauty last week. It was the first time I'd ever seen it.
United 2047 San Francisco Tower, wind 19017, gusts 22, runway 2 right, third land. Speedbird 71 Foxtrot, heavy contact, not good departure. 20 traffic in position. Cross runway 3 left, United States contact.
Lights are starting to take effect already. 6 p.m. on your radio dial. On this delightful Thursday. Bags are packed, ready to roll. Camp International, here we come. 2047, Viva Las Vegas, yeah! All right, everybody who's lost money this last couple of days, raise your hand. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cancel that. Anybody who won money, raise their hand. 1, 2 people. That's it. How many people had a good time? Woo! They all had a good time. Viva Las Vegas. My chérie, it's Air France from Charles de Gaulle. Paris. On the downwind leg for 28. Poof. Gonna come out? There they are. Oh, here comes one of the absolute coolest A350 liveries I've ever seen. This will be the first time I've seen it this year. Over Coyote Point. It's French B. Flight 711 from Papeete. When you see this blue and white, it's awesome. A350 900. Oh, this may have to be the thumbnail. Whoops. Easy does it, Damien. Whoa.
Pilot 967 Simpson Tower, wind 190.17, running to right left. City 66, running to left for land caution from Airport.
Who the heck is that? Is that Level Airlines?
Press B711 heavy to left ground 20.
Check this out, we got a rainbow. How cool is that?
Clear to take off.
Takeoff to 8 left, guys.
Air India departed Delhi just short of 15 hours ago. Whoa, that's a long haul.
Iberia 2621 heavy, San Francisco Tower, wind 200 at 15, running to left for land caution from heavy 777 for the parallel.
Here's Air France that we caught on the downwind leg. Flight 82 from Charles de Gaulle. Hey, earlier in the day we always see 84 arrive. So this is 82, second flight a day.
We're about 2 miles outside the bridge. Visual approach 28 right, maybe a visual separation.
Boy, so they're bringing 500-600 people a day to San Francisco from
13 cautious turbulence, heavy for the parallel,
Perry.
also heavy short final for your runway. Wind 190.10, running to right to left.
2 right, clear the lane, it's got a 34 view.
It's a good looking 777, isn't it? Another new one, 2621. This is Level Airlines running for Iberia from Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona. This should be green and blue in the back end. I'm used to seeing Level at Amsterdam Schiphol Airport, which is only like 80 days away, but who's counting? Okay, that's a pretty good looking livery as well. Cool collection of late day arrivals here, huh?
We pull up now from
Yeah, Francais. Oui, oui.
for the visual to the right.
Delta 2276, San Francisco, wind 190.10, running to right, clear the way.
2 right, clear the land, Delta 2276.
3488 from Los Angeles. Departed 55 minutes ago. Yep, another SoCal, NoCal. Busy corridor here within California. All up and down the West Coast. Kind of like the East Coast. Like Florida flights to New York and New England, non-stop all day. It's a great looking small aircraft. the A220 from, I think it's the A220-100 by Delta. This is 2268, a $1.48 from the Great Salt Lake. Boy, the wind is really swirling. And I'm protected for the most part from the Marriott SFO waterfront here. Boy, it's 6 o'clock and I'm really surprised at the lack of departures. Of course, not being here typically at this time, I didn't know what to expect. I should have just looked.
6182 right, line up and wait.
Alright, exec jet lovers, here's one for you. This aircraft came in from, whoa, that was quick. This came in from SFO. I don't have a destination on it. Came in and dropped off and they're back on their way. The sun's out. Shh. This is a 183 from Delhi. We saw this one going overhead. They run the 777-200-LR long range.
United 1971, San Francisco Tower, good evening, Coptic service following heavy 777, short final, wind 200 at 15, running 2 right clear.
So land runway 2 right, United 1971. San Francisco Tower, sky 3356, visual 2 left.
Sky 3356, San Francisco Tower, wind 200 at 16, runway 2 left, clear land.
Clear land runway 2 left, sky 3356.
It's our pals at Southwest, 2375, line up and wait, 28 left. Viva, viva Las Vegas, yeah! Oh yeah, we know what they'll be up to in an hour.
Sky 3356, turn left at Echo ground 28.
Left turn echo over to ground, sky 3356.
Southwest does not like line up and wait. They want line up and get the hell out of here. No moss under those wheels.
South 2375, wind 200, 13. Runway 2 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 2 left, clear for takeoff, that's fine, 375.
Southwest is the king of the turn and burn. Ah, the sun's just not behaving.
Ciao.
Ciao.
1971, Tango Cross.
See you.
Cross 28 left, ground 28, 1971.
Southwest 2375, contact market departure.
United's 2034 from Houston, IAH. Hey, that's unusual. Early in the day and midday, boy. Everything from Houston is 777s and Dreamliners. These guys got shortchanged with this 777, with this 737. Americans 1253 on your AM radio dial from DFW. I lied. I knew that didn't sound right. From ORD, from Chicago O'Hare. Well, it looks like the sun's not going to give us a golden hour. It gave us about golden 30 seconds, a golden goose. United's 858 over Coyote Point from ICN Sol Incheon 777-300. Nine hours, 42 minutes. That seems like a little. Oh no, so this is from Sol Incheon, not Tokyo's Narita. You know, the sun was out for about a half a second. This bird would look so gorgeous with it all front lit. But no, Mother Nature's got to give me the you know what. Hey, happy birthday to Captain Javi, one of our good friends of the channel. He's up in Chicagoland. Happy birthday, Javi. Alaska rocketing out of 28 left for where I don't know. Now nonstop to IDK, I don't know, because I didn't look. My bad. Ooh. I think I just heard an accident.
So we left that to ground point.
Not an airplane, but a car. Heard a horn, tires, and a crunch.
Roger, left 13 and 4.
United 858 Heavy, Quebec cross with your left ground point 8.
Fast at Quebec, 28 left, ground point 8, United 88.
Oh, baby, come to Papa. Turkish, 25 to Istanbul. And an exec jet that took about 2 feet of runway to get going. Rolling, rolling, rolling. 6,705 miles to Istanbul.
Got 6306 tower, straight left, ground point. Runway 28 left, MS 6306. Turkish 25 kilo heavy, contact northbound large scale.
I think this is Philippines. We're just in the lobby looking for the boss. She must be hiding. Yeah, this has got to be the flight from Manila. Well, did you hear the breaking news on JetBlue? Mike Tyson allegedly was in a scuffle with a passenger. From what I heard, it sounded like he was being harassed by somebody who was possibly drinking too much, but that's all secondhand hearsay is all I got. Virgin. I know where that Dreamliner is going. Right back to London's Heathrow. Oh, so much for golden hour, huh? The clouds just winning this battle this afternoon. Oh, sometimes it just pays to be just damn lucky. Lufthansa 458. I've been waiting to see this. The A350. Kiss my sink. Look at this. From Munich. First time seeing this bird. 3 wheels each side. That's the 1000, the big boy. Where's that 2 wheels? Well, I think I screwed up. I think it's only 2 wheels, so it's a 900. I don't know. I gotta look. I'm just excited to see it. A350 versus a 787. We just saw the Virgin. I'll take the A350. Oh, 2 for 1. $27.36 JetBlue. Hey, this is a surprise. I didn't know that JetBlue flew this route. It says here they departed Los Angeles 53 minutes ago. LAX to SFO. They're running the north-south, run up the coast. I was thinking they only flew east-west from here. or east. West would be towards Japan. Virgin Atlantic. To London's Heathrow, home of the most heavy jets in the world. I don't know if that's still the case, but it was. Had the most A380s flying in and out of it. I would have thought that'd be Dubai, with all the Emirates flights, all their own fleet.
2736, cross runway 28 left, ground 18. 28 left, ground 18, 2736, have a good day. Virgin 20, Victor Heavy, contact my counterpart, CS.
Well, gang, that is gonna do it for today, for this Thursday. Appreciate you being on board. Hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Glad to have you here. Hopefully you'll smash that subscribe button, like, share, hit the notification bells, upload daily. Oh yeah, ready to wing my way back on a 767 to Tampa International. And as always, we'll see you again tomorrow on another edition of Spotting. See you.